through the forest, through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning, let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. And they all said I was crazy for leaving my money, but it never made me happy alone. Life is just too short to never do what you want to. What do you want to do? Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
집에 오나 밖에 오나 쑥떡꿍.
Well, Sonny never asked about you, he only wanted lemonade. And I've been standing here in plain view, but you always keep me in the shade. And that could be your alibi, if you wanted to give it a try. Sonny never asked about you, he only wanted lemonade. And the ringing of the telephone doesn't answer even when he's home. If I could be your night and white, you could check up on me every night. Will you let me be your alibi, or pass up on it every time? Sonny never meant to find you, he only wanted lemonade. You got that far-fetched look in your eye, staring at me like it's a waste of time. Far-fetched look in your eye, searching for answers on the ground. Far-fetched look in your eye, staring at me like it's a waste of time. Far-fetched look in your eye, searching for answers on the ground. You're worth the wait, I know that. And I don't mind doing my turn, but I'm not sure that you'll ever learn. Eventually I walk away, if I don't hear you ever say, I see you in a brand new light. It's time that we give this a try. Sonny never asked about you. He only wanted lemonade. You got that fire, look in your eye, staring at me like it's a waste of time. Far-fetched, look in your eye, searching for answers on the ground. Far-fetched, look in your eye, staring at me like it's a waste of time. Far-fetched, look in your eye, searching for answers on the ground. Sonny never asked about you, he only wanted lemonade. And I've been standing here in plain view, but you always keep me in the shade. Just once, please look my way. You got that far-fetched look in your eye, staring at me like it's a waste of time. Far-fetched look in your eye, searching for answers on the ground. Far-fetched look in your eye, staring at me like it's a waste of time.
다